Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best t-shirt making supplies is probably one of the most versatile and exciting product categories for anyone looking to express their creativity or start a small business, offering a gateway into the world of custom apparel with everything from blank canvases to vibrant inks and precision tools, allowing for endless possibilities in design and personalization, making it an ideal choice for hobbyists, artists, and entrepreneurs alike seeking to bring their unique visions to life on fabric. Number 5. Firbon A4 Paper Cutter, Black. Achieve a clean, straight cut every time, right along your printed line. No more drag, and replacing the blade is simple when needed. It's designed to handle various paper sizes, photos, cards, and even laminated items up to 1.5 mm thick. You can cut up to 10 sheets at once for efficiency. With an integrated angle guide and dual measurement scales, you can precisely trim at the exact angle and length you desire. This cutter is both lightweight and convenient to use. It only operates when the blade is pressed, ensuring safety for everyone, especially children. It's your perfect tool for creating craft projects, invitations, and greeting cards. Suitable for use at home, in the office, or at school. What we like? This is your go-to for clean, straight cuts every time. It offers precise angle and length trimming with a built-in scale. If you're looking for a safe and reliable tool for crafting invitations or cards, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The vinyl cutter is precise and cuts intricate designs flawlessly. The heat press transfers images smoothly without any bubbling or peeling. The variety of t-shirt colors and sizes included in the starter kit is excellent for testing different projects. Number 4. PPD Inkjet Iron-On Heat Transfer Paper. Discover professional quality heat transfer paper perfect for your creative projects. This pack is an ideal introduction to creating vibrant, custom designs on fabric. Achieve the best results on cotton and natural fabrics for lasting, bright transfers. It's perfect for personalizing t-shirts, tote bags, and more with your unique designs. Enjoy a simple, step-by-step application process with your home iron or heat press. Get professional-looking results in minutes, even if you're a beginner. Experience colors that stay bright and designs that resist cracking and peeling. These transfers are made to last, looking great wash after wash. Use it with any standard inkjet printer and cut your designs with ease using scissors or cutting machines. Unleash your creativity for endless custom projects. Ideal for trying out new ideas, creating personalized gifts, or small batches of custom apparel. Get premium quality without the need for large quantities. What we like? Achieve professional-looking fabric transfers with ease. This paper works best on cotton and natural fabrics, delivering vibrant, long-lasting designs. If you're a beginner wanting to create personalized t-shirts or gifts with your inkjet printer, this is an excellent option. What people say. The vinyl cutter is precise and cuts intricate designs with ease. The heat press machine applies even pressure and temperature for professional-looking transfers. The variety of blank t-shirts included in the kit are soft and durable, holding the transfers well. Number 3. US Art Supply Super Markers 20 Vibrant Dual Tip Fabric Markers. Introducing a set of 20 vibrant dual tip fabric markers. These markers offer a full spectrum of 20 unique, eye-catching colors with rich, permanent pigments. Achieve intense colors on all fabrics that dry permanently and resist fading from washing. For the brightest results, use them on white or light-colored fabrics. These professional artist-quality markers feature double-ended tips. Use the fine bullet tip for detailed lines and the broad chisel tip for writing and shading. They are non-toxic, fade-proof, and washer-proof, making them safe for children aged 3 and above. Everyone can enjoy creating vibrant visual results with ease. Decorate everything from t-shirts and shoes to bags and baby items. Let your imagination run wild and produce your own stunning artwork with these versatile markers. For optimal results, allow all colors to air cure for at least 24 hours before wearing and washing. Buy with confidence from a brand dedicated to your satisfaction. What we like? Unleash your creativity with a wide spectrum of colors. These markers feature both fine and chisel tips for versatile application. If you love to personalize clothing, shoes, or bags with bold, permanent designs that withstand washing, these are ideal. What people say. The vinyl cutter is precise and cuts intricate designs flawlessly, making custom t-shirt creation easy. The heat press applies even pressure and temperature, ensuring professional-looking transfers that last. The variety of t-shirt colors and sizes included in the starter kit is impressive, offering great value for experimentation. Number 2. BoxLegend Shirt Folder Board V2. Achieve perfectly neat folds every time with this easy-to-use tool. Simply place your garment on the board and follow the steps to transform messy piles into an organized, wrinkle-free closet. Neatly folded clothes are compact and organized, allowing you to fit more into your drawers and closets. It's a must-have solution for dorm rooms, apartments, and any small living space. This isn't just for t-shirts. It expertly handles a wide range of clothing, including shirts, sweaters, polos, and pants, making it an essential laundry helper. Constructed from upgraded, high-quality PP plastic, it's built to withstand daily use without bending or breaking. You can count on its long-lasting performance. Clothes folded with this board have a more professional and polished appearance. It's perfect for small businesses looking to present their items neatly. It's compact and easy to pack in your suitcase, making it ideal for travel. Keep your clothes neatly folded wherever you go. What we like? Achieve perfectly folded clothes effortlessly, transforming messy drawers into organized spaces. It's designed to fold not just t-shirts but also sweaters and pants. If you're looking to maximize closet space or achieve a professional look for your garments, this folding board is a must-have. What people say. The vinyl cutter is precise and cuts intricate designs with ease, making detailed t-shirt graphics achievable. The heat press transfers designs smoothly and evenly, ensuring professional-looking results without any peeling or fading after washing. The variety of t-shirt colors and sizes included in the starter kit is excellent, offering a good range for different projects and preferences. Number 1. T-shirt alignment ruler and heat press kit. Introducing our t-shirt alignment tool, designed to make your DIY projects a breeze. Get your designs perfectly centered every time, saving you valuable time and effort. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for flawless heat transfers. You'll receive multiple rulers, heat-resistant tape, and non-stick PTFE sheets for all your crafting needs. Achieve professional results with our easy-to-read rulers, featuring clear markings for accurate design placement. They work on any shirt color, ensuring your graphics are always spot on. Our heat-resistant tape is essential for keeping your designs perfectly in place during the heat transfer process. It's ideal for both t-shirts and hats, ensuring a smooth and professional finish. The included PTFE Teflon sheets offer superior heat resistance and a non-stick surface. They effectively protect your work area and projects during high-temperature heat pressing. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you have any questions or concerns, our support team is ready to assist you within 8 hours to ensure you're happy with your purchase. What we like? Ensure your designs are perfectly centered on every t-shirt. This kit includes multiple rulers, heat-resistant tape, and Teflon sheets for flawless heat transfers. If you're serious about DIY apparel and want to avoid misaligned prints, this comprehensive set will save you time and frustration. What people say. The vinyl cutter is precise and cuts intricate designs with ease. The heat press machine heats up quickly and applies even pressure for professional-looking transfers. The variety of blank t-shirts included in the kit offers different fabric feels and colors to experiment with. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.